Lo makhiwo obonako ngaphandle kubonakala kungumakhiwo nje ojayelekileko kodwa nangaphakathi imbiza edidiyela indaba zephasi lonke. Nanzi ezithutshileko.
To be honest, I know of no instance, and I don't agree that constitutes political interference.
Ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi bayamhwayela bathi waqaphela emsebenzini wamapholisa nakezepolitiki.
He knows there's already 3 envelopes prepared, of which it had names on it.
Ufokiso omkhulu kezobulelesi obuhleliweko kwaziwa ngofakazi B utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga bona akakholwa bona kwaqothelwe umhlabi mkhosi waka-Transnet owabulawako amatswat mhlazana zakubulawa.
Wardens will cease to exist in their current format. This will be done in a phased approach.
Undunakulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi umemezele ukuhlelwa ngobutsha kwesiqhema sezevikeleko eGauteng esaziwa ngamapanyaza bona sizoqedwa bese amapanyaza afakwa ngaphasi kwamapholisa wendlela amanye kibo masipalata. Kuyangithokozisa ukuthi ningifumane seningilindile nendaba namhlanje. Lotshani nawe lapho ukhona. Ufokiso omkhulu kezobulelesi obuhleliweko elaziwa ngofakazi B utshele ikomiti kaMadlanga bona akakholwa bona umhlabi mkhosi waka-Transnet owabulawako amatswat kwaqothelwe yena mhlazana azakubulawa. Ubufakazi bakafakazi B kuqinisekisa ubufakazi baphambilini obusola usomabhizinisi weSentin uKatiso KT Mulife bona uyathindeka ebulelesini obuhleliweko. Umulife usolwa ngokuyala ukubulawa kwakaSwart osolwa ngomhlabi mkhosi ngobukhohlakali emakontrakeni weTransnet.
Ipolisa liphenya kweli elibizwa ngo-Witness B lisola uMajor General Richard Shibiri ngokuqaphela ephenyweni lokubulawa kwasonjiniyera weQtech uAman Swart. Ufokisi lo uthi uShibiri waphatha indaba yemvilophi endathu ngamahastrata yomtshutshisi neyabofokisi ekubonakala bona kungenzeka kwakuyimali ukwafumbathisa.
There was also a conversation about that he knows who the attorneys that they are using, he knows how do they work, and then he further said that's when now this issue of envelopes come in, that he knows there's already 3 envelopes prepared, of which it had names on it to say one is for magistrate, prosecutor, and the IOs.
Uwitness B utshela ikomishini lebona bathoma ukuthuselwa indoda ekukholwa bona ingani waloyo okhaba lipolisa uMichael Puledawu bona balisa iphenyo lokubulawa kwaSwart. Abofekisaba batshola bona bakhetha imvilophezo zemali namkhukufa.
You, like us investigators, you only have 2 options. You only have an option to accept the bribe and do what those criminals want, or you'll die. Actually, the second one, it's not even an option. It's like that. It's either you do this or you will die. And then where the suspects were concerned, there was a time where a person was informing one of our members to say, now there's only 3 options. The suspect will escape, the suspect will kill you, or the suspect will buy his way out.
And after the crash course with
Ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu oselifini ekhethekileko solo kwangovela Bahlinze uyiphayile indaba yokuthi ubandakanyeka enqhemeni zobulelesi elizweni leli. Umchunu bekathula ubufakazi langeni lesine nekungelokugcina lekomiti yesikhatshana yeParliament ephenya insolo ezenziwe nguKommissioner wamapholisa waKwaZulu Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Umchunu usola bekwelifa inekhethekileyo ngemva kokusolwa ngokucabhela lokhuyana kuzakuphatlalatshwa isiqhema esiphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki. Akhange kube lula lokhana bekahlathulula ubudlelwana bakhe nosomabhizinisi weTlhagwini Njengalanga uBran Mogotsi naye kuthiwa batsho umsebenzisane kaMchunu begodu usola nangokunikela uVusumuzi Khet Matlala imininingwane eyifihlo yamapholisa. Bewatshela uMatlala ngokuphatlalatshwa kwesiqhema esiphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki.
You're saying now that you can't make sense of the fact that he would send these messages. You have no link with it. You've described him as a crafty character, and you've also earlier said that he would usually do this. He would usually send these messages.
To be honest, I know of no instance that I could be accused of political interference for. I listened to the instances that he was talking about, and I don't agree that constitutes political interference.
Umchunu ubuyelela ukuthi wazana noMogotsi kodwa na uphikile ukuthi kwakhe wahlangana noMatlala. Phambilini ivekele umdlosi phambili wobufakazi uveze ukuthi ikomiti le izokuletha ufakazi ozokufakaza ukuthi umchunu unobudlelwana bezemabhizinisi noMatlala begodwa uMatlala nguye bekasekela ngemali ijima likaMchunu le-ANC lokuzibawela amavoti wesikhundla sikaMengameli.
But those things I imagine now, they had not been part of any other relation I've had with Mogotsi, or rather I was not aware if he was doing such things.
Umchunu uziphayile nensolo ezenziwe ngumkhwanazi nabekathula ubufakazi ukuthi bekunesiqhema senilelesi eGauteng esibizwa ngeBig 5 kanti ihlangano iPatriotic Alliance ibonakala isekela isiqundo sikaMchunu sokuphatlalatshwa isiqhema esiphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki kodwa nanyana kunjalo ukusekela kwakhe kuza nokuzaza.
Based on what I've discovered on the evidence was correct, not just futuristically but also looking back. There has been grave misuse.
Ikomiti yesikhatshana le iyokulalela ubufakazi bukaNgqongqoshe wamapholisa walokhu ubheka icele ngelesine.
Undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi umemezele ukuhlelwa ngobutsha kwesiqhema sezevikeleko eGauteng iCrime Prevention Wardens esaziwa kakhulu ngamaPanyaza. Uthi ama-wardens azokuchugululwa afakwe ngaphasi kwamapholisa wendlela weGauteng. Ikanti isimemezelo lesi silandela ukuhlatshwa kwekambiso yokusungula ama-crime warden ngokumitshara wamapholisa waKwaZulu Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nabekavele ekomitini yeSigiyani yeParlamente.
Iningi lama-wardens ayi-8,800 ayokufumana itwasiso amapholisa wendlela bese afakwa ngaphasi kwamapholisa wendlela. Labo baseleko bazokufakwa kubomasipala la bazokwelusa imithetho kamasipala basize neminye iminyango.
The wardens will cease to exist in their current format. This will be done in a phased approach. They will now be repurposed to be part of the Gauteng Traffic Police and Special Law Enforcement Units SLEU and other strategic security partners that will work with them.
Isimemezelo lesi silandela kwavela ekomitini yeSigiyani yeParlamente eyabuza bona awela kimuphi umthetho. Kuvelile bona basungulwa ngaphandle kokulandela ikambiso yomthetho ekungiyo. Kodwa undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uphendule wathi ungqongqothe wezobulungiswa wavuma bona kusungulwe ama-warden la.
To grant this traffic wardens legal authority, the provincial government evoked Section 334 of the Criminal Procedure Act, and this section authorizes the Minister of Justice to designate specific officials as peace officers. Accordingly, the province requested the Minister of Justice and Correctional Services to appoint the crime prevention wardens as peace officers in line with this act.
Olisufu uthembisile bona ama-warden la azokuraga ngokufumana umrholo wawo nakasafumana itwasiso leyo. Olisufi kodwa ukhalime ngamagama abukhali izehlakalo zeWestbury la kudunuze kwabulawa abantu abatsha ababili. Uthi sezwisi siveza ifuneko lamapholisa okungikho kwenza bona kusungulwe ama-warden.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usemahlelweni wokuqinisa zokuhwebelana nobudlelwano bezepolitiki namazwe weSewula Mpumalanga eAsia. Solo iAmerica yaphara iSewula Afrika ngomthelo wepahla obudisana. iSewula Afrika isebenza ngamandla ukukhulisa zokuhwebelana namazwe abakhozi bazo bakade ukuzwelana ukufumana enye indlela yokwenza ibhizinisi. iAsia inikele iSewula Afrika amathuba amakhulu wenye indlela yokwenza ibhizinisi.
uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usunduza ngamandla ubeka iSouth Africa esikhundleni esinzinzileko sokuhwebelana namazwe eAsia. Ilizwe lokuthoma yi-Indonesia, ekulilizwe lesithathu ngomkhulu kulawa ahwebelana neSouth Africa eAsia. Kazi leli lizwe lilungele litsha ku-BRICS, umkhozi omkhulu wakade weSouth Africa.
I took time to congratulate Indonesia on the commemoration of the 70th anniversary of the historic Bandung Asia-Africa Conference of 1955, where the South African people were represented by two great leaders of our country, Moses Kotane and Molvi Kachalia. I attended the 50th commemoration of the Bandung Conference in 2015, which was a great moment, which brought together many leaders from the non-aligned countries around the world.
We had a good discussion today concerning our bilateral relations. In the economic field, our trade has increased significantly in the past 5 years.
During our discussions, we affirmed the importance of expanding and broadening bilateral relations.
Mengameli Ramaphosa udlulele Vietnam.
Umongameli walokho Jacob Zuma ukhonjele ukuthi abhadele imali engange 28.9 million yamaranda eyasebenza endlekweni zomthetho zecala lakhe lobukhohlakali. Ofisi kaMengameli negcwetha lombuso zibambe noZuma ekubuyiseni imali yendleko zomthetho. Umongameli walokho ayisebenzisela yena ngokwakhe.
Ikhothe phakemeko eGauteng esePitori iba uZuma bona bhadele imali ezingidi umbuso wayisebenzise emagcwetheni akhe malungana necala lobukhohlakali sivumelwaneni sengikhali. Ikhotho iba uZuma bona bhadele imali inzalo ku 28.9 million yamaranda. Imali le fanele ibhadelwe ngakadlula amalanga ama-60 kananga bhalelwa batsho kuzokuthatha impahla yakhe namkha kudliwa imali yakhe yepension. Ijaji uAnthony Miller unikele igcwetha lombuso imvumo ukuthi ufuna iDakfara ukwenza lokho empahleni kaZuma ethwalekako nale engathwalekiko. Langenzeka uZuma bhalelwe kubhadela imali leyo ingakapheli amalanga ama-60. Amagcwetha kaZuma athi imali eyabhadelwa amagcwetha kaZuma akhange yabhadelwa ngokulayelwa nguZuma, kodwa lokho kwenziwa ngokulandela umlayo wezomthetho wombuso.
Nasibuya entolo.
Pens down party babenzayo baphela besonzakala seyazi into eyenzekayo enyobeni yayikwangula pens down.
Ibhodi elawula ukuthengisa kotshwala ngokubambisana nababelani ithome ijima lokukhandela abafundi ukuthi basele utshwala eminyanyeni ukugidinga ukuqeda ukuhlola inhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka bathi awuphelenya umukhwa lo. Indaba sekhona mbukeli nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asifake naso.
I-SABC izorhatshela bunqopha ngokusemthethweni i-G20 SA 2025.
Isiqhema esihlela zefundo ku-G20 sifinyelele esivumeleni esiveze ukuthi kubekelelwe phambili nezethulo ezintathu ezivezwe yi-ofisi kaMengameli echeche umhlangano we-G20. Izethulo lezi zifaka hlangana ukunikelwa kwefundo yezinga eliphezulu, ukunikelwa kweziqu ezichetshwe emazweni wonke athindekako kunye nehlelo lokuthuthukiswa kwefundo.
Ukutshejwa kwabantwana enkulisa nakezifundo kuqhakathekile ekuthuthukiseni abantwana kunye nempumelelo yabo esikhathini esizako. Kodwa na ukuhlayela kwensiza, imithangala sisekele ehwahlapheleko kunye nokuhlayela kwensiza kuseseshijilo.
The improvement is only coming slowly, and we must admit there are issues related to parents, how they want to raise their children.
Have to foundation training, learning. It's very hard.
ISouth Africa ibekelele phambili imfuno ezintathu ekufanele zethulwe.
South Africa's presidency, just on a broad level, is also based on putting foundations of learning at the center of everything that we do, talking about how do we improve the teacher profession and teacher development, and also how do we equip young people with skills that can be sold across borders.
Kukhonjelwa amalunga wakamanye amazwe ukuthi athuthukise amahlelo we-technology ukuqinisekisa ukulethwa kwefundo engcono.
Ibhodi elawula ukuthengiswa kotshwala eMpumalanga Kapa ifungile yathi izozimuka amalayisensi bezihlawulise indawo ezithengisela abantwana utshwala. Lokhu kuvele ngemva kokwethulwa kwejima lokuthi kuphele indaba yokugidinga ukuqeda ukuhlola inhlahluba kwabafundi okwaziwa ngama-pens down.
Angona imviwo zokuphela konyaka zisondele, ibhodi ejongene nentengiso yotshwala ephondweni ithi ixhalabile ngumba wabafundi abazintshintsha ngotshwala. Imimandla efana njengomasipala ombaxa eBuffalo City, imimandla apho lo mba uqatsele khona. Le bhodi imemelele abo bashishina ngotshwala ukuba baphume kumkhwa wokuthengisela abantwana abaselula utshwala okanye bajongane nengalo yomthetho.
Aba pens down party babenzayo baphela besonzakala seyazi into eyenzekayo enyobeni yayikwangulo pens down iyo lonto thina siyilikapho siqonde ba let us be proactive.
Ukanti abafundi bona bamemelele urhulumente ukuba aze namanye amaqhinga wokulwa lo mkhuba.
Ndicebisa ukuba ezi organizations like uLikaport, EduSport, multiple organizations to collaborate basebenzisane so that they can create interventions, functions that will distract us from drinking alcohol.
Kusenjalo abazali bona babongozwe ukuba badlale indima yabo.
Abantwana qala imali bayifuna emakhaya, then ke ngoku ingxaki lapha kuthi asimonitarishi singabazali ba imali lebumnika yona umntwana eyantoni na.
Le bhodi ithi nezicwangciso zokusayela iphulo apho lo mkhwa uvame khona kwiphondo jikelele. Abongile Yankees kwindaba ze-SABC eMdantsane.
Asiqale umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba yokuqeda kwegidigidi yabantwana nabaqeda ukuhlola eyaziwa ngama-pens down. Naku yalandela.
Vele kanti kutshwala bani ebantwaneni. Abantwana yebona abaphasileyo siyajabula njengabazali mara hayi ukuthi nje bazijabulise ngotshwala.
Ama-pens down la enza ukuthi abantwana laba baphume endleleni. Abazali bagcine sebangqaba abantwana babo.
Umkhuba omubi odinga ukuthi uqedwe ngoba abafundile abenza khona izinto eziphambene, abanye baphuza utshwala badakwe, abanye bakhulele bangazi ukuthi bakhulele sobani.
Ingane uma ngabe sezithi ama-pens down zigcina seyiphuza notshwala, zigcine ezinye uthola ukuthi seziyalimazana.
Indaba yama-pens down yona ilimaza abantwana. Mara yona ngeke bayiqede.
Abantwana bethu mabenza ama-pens down balimala badakwa, abanye bayarejwa. So indawo le mele iphele vele ama-pens down.
Ngathi nami ama-province angayivala izinto ayikho impela isidingo sawo.
Zikushayela ihlombe kakhulu ke lokho okwenziwe abamaphepha ukuthi ena umiswe impela lento yama-pens down.
Eqinisweni abanye nje baqala ukuphuza nje ngalelo langa nje abantu khona beqala ukuphuza bazifundise utshwala.
Umbono ngiyumbukele SABC yazi ukuthwesa umlando ngombono ukuziphendulela umbukeli. Mbukeli njengoba naku uthonyiwe ukuhlola kwenhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka zika-matric sizonande sikuqalela ukuthi ngikuphi umfundi ekufanele akutsheje nakuhlolako. Namhlanje siqalela iphepha lesithathu le-English elihlolwa kusasa ekseni nelesindebele elihlolwa nakumathumi 27
Sinengaba embili isigaba A nesigaba E. Isigaba A ulasufumana khona ama-text okuzigamela. Ama-text okuzigamela ma-essay. Sikhumbule bona nasithola ngosithoma ngomepengqondo wethu kufanele ube namaphuzu angehla kwalikhomba. Senzelele bona nasiya ngaphakathi sibe nendima ezaneleyo. Ukwenza njalo kwenzeka bona sihlukanise kuhle indima zethu begodini nemqondo yethu ikwazi ukuthelelana i-essay yethu ibakele phambili beyokuveza isiphelo. Bese kusigaba B ulasufuthola khona ama-text okuthintana. Kiwo ama-text lawa siqinisekise kokuthoma bonyana lapha kufuneka ingeniso zethu asizitoleni asiqiniseke bona sikhola amagama abe anele ngoba lokho kusilobisa amamara
ephepheni lesithathu nakho kumele nikucheche okuthoma kumele uSA kumele ukhethe ihloko leso ogcinileyo kiso wesibili SA kumele ube nesingeniso umzimba nesiphetho wesithathu kumele ulandele inani lamagama nase kuma text okuthindana kumele ukhethe ama text lawo ogcinileko kiwo azokuba bulula kuwo
kezemali ranta lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu
Thokozile endabeni mbukele ekhaya lotshani sibona livulile iSouth Africa yonke zinkomba zomoya lezi ozibonako kanti ke kunekungu ngale ngejingalanga yenaga yeSouth Africa ukuchinga lapha ke endaweni zange Cape Town abantu bacheche bayelele kanti ke kusasa sibona lapha ke amathuba wezulu asuka ngale ngeNorthern Cape ehle njalo ukwehlela lapha ke esifundeni sange Mpumalanga Kapa ukufikela lapha eGqeberha kanti ke kusasa sibona lapha ke isilemukiso somlilo wamahlathi endaweni zangale ke ngeNorthern Cape ukwehlela le endaweni zangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa nangejingalanga Kapa yentsheje niyelele nanihlala kulezi ndawo siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga okuchisa ifuthumele yonke iGauteng Pitori ifuthumele lapha nge28 Bronkhorstspruit nge27 Johannesburg nayo neSprings nge27 iLimpopo ibonakala ke nayo ifuthumele endaweni ezinengi kuchisa ePhalaborwa eThohoyandou neMusina nge32 iPhulukwane ifuthumele nge27 bukulapha eMpumalanga lapho sibona khona ke isifunda naso sifuthumele sonke ngamnandi kusesikukhuza lapho kuchisa khona nge32 abo Middelburg 28 lapha ke eMalahleni 25 ubomhlanga njalo njalo iKwaZulu Natal iyachisa endaweni ezinengi kufuthumele iDurban nge29 neKokstad lapha eLundi neRichards Bay 32 iPumalanga Kapa ke le ibonakala ke nayo ichisa endaweni ezinengi yelelana incheche lapho kilezo ndawo kufuthumele kamnandi eGqeberha nge28 ngemva kwamadina iJingalanga Kapa ibonakala ipholile ngeGwini lapha eCape Town nge22 Cape Galas nge21 Mossel Bay nge22 kuchisa ke nawungena ukhuphuka eTlagwini nesifunda iTlagwini Kapa le yake ichisa yonke kufuthumele eSpringbok nge27 kuyachisa endaweni ezinengi Uppington nge34 seFreystata ke lapha ubonakala kufuthumele kamnandi endaweni ezinengi kuchisa lapha ke eBothaville nge31 siyokucala ke kokugcina sifunda sangaleke ngejingalanga eTlagwini sibona lapha ke isifunda sifuthumele siya ngokuchisa endaweni ezinengi sibona negodi ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido